In the linear equation right here, what does the number negative 2.25 indicate? Negative 2.25 is the slope of this line, right? So that's the slope. And when interpreting slope in SAT problems, it should be interpreted as in the following example. Let's say we have the equation y is equal to 2x plus 3. If x is 1, the value of y is 5. If x is 2, 7, 3, 9, right? So as x increases by 1, y always increases by 2, right? This value is equal to slope, which means as x increases by 1, y always increases by the value of slope. If the slope is positive, y increases the value of the slope. If the slope is negative, y decreases by the value of its slope. Does that make sense? So back to this question. Slope is negative 2.25, right? That means as x increases by 1, y, since it's a negative, decreases by 2.25. This is what slope means. So the answer must be B. Y decreases by 2.25 for every x increases by 1.